here and watching. Today I'm so excited because I just received a new plant through a subscription box. So today we're going to be unboxing the houseplant box. Well, I actually already unboxed this since it was a live plant inside this box when it came a few hours ago. I opened it right away, but I'm super excited. So before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you're into subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. It means so much to me. So back to houseplant box. So I actually received this box a while ago. I just looked up on my YouTube channel. I searched for houseplant box. It was over a year ago that I received this box, and I got it for 3 months. So meaning I got 3 houseplants then, and I just never really got into it. But luckily, 2 out of 3 houseplants I had then survived. One of them was a spider plant, which I have downstairs, and the second I have right here in front of me. And it was kind of neglected for like months, a year, I don't know, but since I started to learn more about plants, it has some new growth on top, and I honestly don't know what plant this is. I think it's a type of rubber plant. If you guys know, please let me know. So Houseplant Box offers several different subscription options. I chose to get the pet-friendly box, and this costs $12 a month, and you do pay $3.50 in shipping, so it came out to be $15.50, and it shipped from California, but I received it in about 2 days, and my plant came in pretty good shape. So it came in this box here, and inside the box was, of course, my plant, and then there's an information card as well. So the plant we got this month was a parlor palm, and it's kind of funny because I just ordered one of these. I think it's a little bit bigger, a little bit older. I ordered it from Etsy seller, so now I'm gonna have 2, but that's okay. So yeah, it came in that little box. It's been out of the box for maybe 3 hours now, and it looks like it's doing really well. So the leaves look fine. There's like some that have like a little bit of brown on the tip, but yeah, overall, they shipped it really well. It came healthy. It came in its little nursery pot, and I heard that you're supposed to keep your plant in the nursery pots and not repot them right away because they already went through all that stress of travel. You want to keep them in here until they get a little bit bigger and outgrow it. So the reason why I chose to get this again is because I am addicted to watching houseplant tours now on YouTube, and I have all this space downstairs and a lot of light, and now that I discovered like hanging planters and stuff like that, I want to bring more plants into my life. So that is why I resubscribed, and I'm super happy with it so far. So here is the card that came inside. So Parlor Palm, and it looks like the name is Palm Nyanth Bella. So yeah, I have a lot of learning to do with all these like plant names. So since Bella's in the name, I was thinking maybe I should name my plant Bella. I don't know. Do you guys name your plants? Let me know down below. So it tells you like where it's from, the temperature range it's good for it, light and water. So the origin is southern Mexico and Guatemala, and the ideal temperature range is 60 to 70 degrees. So I live in a very hot climate, and usually my air is like around 72, so I might have to lower it a little bit, but I'll see how it does here. It says that the parlor palm prefers natural bright light and keep out of direct sunlight, and to keep the soil evenly moist can allow the topsoil to dry out slightly. And then it also talks about common issues the plant could have. So it looks like, I should show you guys, so cute. Bella palms are susceptible to spider mites, so you should mist your plant frequently as the mites prefer dry conditions, and root rot and yellow leaves can occur in soggy soil. So I did put a little bit of water on the plant when it arrived. It didn't seem like the soil was totally dried out, and I know it says here to like wait, or it didn't say here when I was reading online, it said to wait till it's like halfway dry, like you kind of put your finger in to tell, like don't just go by the top of it. But I don't know, I'm like so obsessed with plants lately, you guys, so my like goal is to hopefully like get enough plants soon and do like a houseplant tour like I have been obsessed with on YouTube. Nobody asked for it. I don't know if any of you guys are interested, but it's like my new hobby and I can't wait. Something's just like so exciting about seeing your plants grow and thrive. It makes me so happy. I have a bunch of other little plants growing in here. I think I'm gonna use like my filming room as like a nursery. When they get bigger, I will like bring them downstairs, and I have cats that love to eat my plants, so even though these plants are pet friendly, like they won't get sick if they chew on them. I don't want them to, so I'm gonna have to like get some like hanging shelves or something like that, because if I just have a full shelf, you know, the cats will just jump up there. So yeah, maybe some more hanging planters, but I am super excited. I can't wait to get this box in the future. So I will link houseplant box down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm super excited. If you guys are into plants, I would love to know about your houseplant experience. But anyways, thank you for being here. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.